To find the domain of the function, we need to remember that we're talking about rational functions, and we never want to have a 0 in the denominator of any rational function, because 0 in the denominator or 0 in the bottom will give you an undefined answer. So what we want to do is find out what values for x would give us a 0 in the denominator. So we're going to take the denominator, set it equal to 0, and we're going to exclude those values from the domain. So for solving for x, we would add 5 to both sides, so we have x equals 5. So we want to exclude x equals 5. We want to exclude 5 from the domain because that will give us a 0 in the denominator. So basically it's all real numbers except for 5. So we can write that a couple of ways. So if we use set builder notation, we'll start with x is all real numbers except for when x is 5. So it's all real numbers except 5. Another way we can write it is if we think about it on a number line and we were to graph 5, we're saying that the domain is all real numbers except for 5. So we would not include 5, but it would be everything before 5 and everything after 5. So if we wrote that in interval notation, we could say it would be from negative infinity all the way to 5 with parentheses, and 5 all the way to infinity. So those are two different ways we can write our answer.